A 5.9 magnitude earthquake struck the Kale district of Malatya, shaking surrounding provinces like Diyarbakir, Elazığ, and Tunceli. As Ife and local authorities continued their fieldwork, Interior Minister Ali Yorlataya announced that no casualties have been reported, although partial collapses occurred in 3 buildings. Schools in the affected areas have been closed for a day following the tremor. Officials offered their best wishes to the public, while experts emphasized that this earthquake is an independent event and that seismic activity along the East Anatolian Fault is expected. Last year, on February 6th, Turkey experienced devastating earthquakes, and since then, further tremors in this region have been anticipated. Experts believe that this quake in Kale, Malatya, is likely the result of energy transfer along the fault line from the February 6th earthquakes. According to FAD, the earthquake occurred at a depth of 10 kilometers and caused brief panic. Emergency teams were quickly dispatched, and efforts to ensure public safety continue. We send our best wishes to everyone in Malatya, Elazığ, and the surrounding areas affected by this event. These natural disasters highlight the importance of preparedness and the need to ensure that buildings and infrastructure are resilient.